Oh no, my phone is out of battery.
Excuse me? Do you need to charge your phone? You can use my charger.
But you're also charging your phone. If we charge our phone simultaneously, wouldn't it charge slower?
Don't worry, let me help you. Different from other dual-port chargers that requires 2 to 4 ICs, this particular charger contains only one HT6000 chip and it can quickly charge up 2 devices simultaneously. The BOM cost for the charger also decreases by over 50%. This IC is compatible to dual-channel QC3.0 Type A and PD3.0 Type C fast charging protocol. Each independent channel can provide a maximum of 30 watt output power, in total 60 watt. Different branded phones can be charged at the same time. Even if both phones are charging simultaneously, it will not slow down the charging process. The charging speed of a charger with a HT6000 chip is 8 times faster than a conventional charger.
Thank you, Mr. Huang. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Thank you for your charger. You helped me a lot.
No problem. I know how frustrating it can be when your phone is out of battery. Do you go to work around here too?
Yeah, I always come here to drink coffee.
The coffee here is quite good.
Do you come here a lot too?
Yes. Dual ports max speed. Fast charging is just a breeze.